I'm Andy Baraghani. I'm the food editor at Tasting Table, and I'm here to show you how to chop onions my way. There's a standard method in regards to how to chop an onion, and they're both right. I just like one better than the other. The first way is I cut the onion straight down, trim the top, peel the outside layer, set aside. And then you want to go as close to the base as possible, then split down and go straight across. The second way, I cut the half in half and I go straight down. You get more even pieces this way, and you also are able to cut the onions finer than you ever thought you could imagine. Whew. For more of my way, go to Tasting Table TV.